Welcome back to Sheep Power Farm's YouTube channel. Today we're working on the TRX90s. These are both 2019 TRX90Xs. The one closest to us has different stickers on it. But we'll change the oil on it today. So, well, both of these. Things you'll need to do that. 17mm socket, funnel, rag, some oil. Using Honda TRX90X. Some sort of small catch container for it. I like to measure it on these ones because it's an odd number. So for capacities on this, you're looking at 0.75 quarts, so about 700 cc's. So I'll measure 700 cc's and put that in. I do these machines annually. They don't need much more than that. So let's get started. So I like to get them up and flipped over like this a little bit, just leaning on the handlebars. So underneath it here, this is your drain bolt here. You can always tell on the Hondas they have this shoulder in front of it. This guy over here, don't touch that one. That's for adjusting your timing, unless you want to adjust your timing. So we'll loosen this up. That was on there good. So I get it loose and then I'll bring it back down so you don't make a total mess. Got a little close there, sorry. And we'll get the rest of it out. Once you got the plug out, I take the drain out, act a little vent, or the dipstick, act a little vent, and I'll drain her out. Alright, we're pretty well drained out there. Snug it up, don't have to go too crazy. I measured out 500 cc so far, because that's as big as my cup goes. There are 500 cc's of Honda oil. Here's our last 200 cc's. Let's see how we did. Get our nice clean dipstick. Looking pretty good. That's it. I'm going to do the other four-wheeler, and that'll do it. If you have any questions, give me a shout. Thanks.